Dumela, welcome back to Setswana class. Tsatsijeng. Re ya ko motlobang wa dikgogomodu. I've been doing research about this. Dinosaurs are actually regarded as giant lizards. Do you know that? So, so the word dinosaur, it's a Latin word that means lizard. So, if we're gonna translate that to Setswana, we can just say a dinosaur ke khopane. So I'm just gonna go with that. Dinosaur in Setswana is khopane, directly translated from lizard, which lizard is khopane or ntsiane, depending on who you talk to when you talk to them. So dinosaur khopane or khopane or motona, because it would be like a big lizard. I don't know how you would say a bigger lizard in Setswana that is appropriate. So yeah, let's go. Dun, dun, dun. This is it? Where are we going? Which level? One. Press 1. Where are we going?
To the Dino Museum.
Where are we going?
To the dinosaur.
Alright guys.
It's dark, yeah. Ooh, look at this.
They can collect at different guys, you were not allowed to touch it. It's okay. Sorry, come
Well, I thought you said they're gonna dig right here.
Let them just see this first. I'm more interested.
Okay, let's go down. Let's go downstairs and go see the dinos, okay? Alright. Oh, let's run! Go, go, go! Let's go! They're not gonna leave.
That's a cool thing.
It's fast in front of them. Yes. Did we see in here?
I mean, I never have. Come on, you want to go? You guys want to go?
Oh, it's a fresh one.
Okay, I'm taking these two out.
Okay.
Lion?
Yeah.
Tiger?
So
But
more
what kinds are real?
museum mo gona le
Well, they once were real, but now they're not real anymore.
di supiwa tse dingwe
But
jaaka
why is just their skin?
They're called dinosaurs.
tiger.
Come look at the eyes
Ga nna le
and the
ditonki,
claws and talons and teeth.
donkeys. Ditonki hela tse di heletseng. Mme ke ga re ka bona gore go na le
Mushroom.
dinonyane.
Welcome. Let's go see more animals.
Mme ga ba go supetsa ka ga diphologolo tse di tshwarwang ka teng gore di nne jaaka di ntse jaana. Le ka ba di dirang ka teng.
Ooh, the polar bear. You gotta see it.
Wow, that cactus tree looks real. Are there real cactus trees?
Hey guys, can you find?
Another
Let me see. I think there are 6 birds in here.
blueberry.
One.
Up there.
Come, let's go see what the moose has. A polar bear.
At the big bazaar.
Wait.
Maybe it's not that one. Maybe it's a different one.
Daddy, it's like cute eye.
Uh-huh. Let's go.
Oh wait, we're not doing that. Come on. Hold on.
It's a python. Mm. We have to go upstairs. I mean downstairs.
I know.
He doesn't want to be on the turtle.